Huh?
You're gonna do it. They said do one in slow.
Alright, here, I'll load him up.
There you go.
Just put it down there.
Big ass.
Recording. Ready? Pretty heavy.
Wow.
This is Desert Eagle 50 AE. I'm a little bit scared.
Once you shoot for a shot it, then that's scary. Oh god. Alright, you ready for this?
I think there's.
Is that one yours? Or is that yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh!
Everybody's got one.
It's gonna feel much worse than the 44.
Oh god. Come on, man.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
There you go.
Oh god, it's gonna suck. It's on safe. Go ahead. Oh my goodness. Holy crap, dude.
It just feels like a mini shotgun.
Oh,
That's how it
alright.
Push the switch right here. Up. Push it up. That's the safety. There you go. You're ready to fire. It's like just like the Glock. There.
Oh my god.
Well, you see, you didn't want to try the 44 and you're trying the 50. Ready?
Yes. Not that bad.
Put it in there. Pick it up. Yep. Then push this lever down. You have to do it hard.
Hey, hold on. Well, try to get a good angle.
Yeah, you're ready. Wesson 500.
Same caliber as your Eagle.
No, it's way bigger than the 50 AE.
No, it's the same.
You guys see that?
Yeah, it's the same. It's still the same as $5 per round.
No, I'm talking about like the caliber, not the pricing.
Oh,
It's a bigger caliber than 50 AE. And it's much more powerful.
it turns counterclockwise.
You ready?
Yeah. Okay. Oh god, this is gonna suck even more. Holy crap.
Thomas, you ready? You ready to see this shit?
He's like, nope. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. the thing is like. I forgot the basics of it, so I haven't used a revolver. So how do you take out this thing?
So push that little lever on the side. Yeah, push it forward, and then push the cylinder out. But don't block it with your thumb. So push the screw forward and then push it.
Alright, what the fuck?
Alright, I think it's because it's cocked.
Oh.
Yeah. Right?
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, so.
Alright, how you guys doing? Alright? Okay, you want to move to that?
There you go.
Okay. Oh,
So just put it in and then align it to the next chamber. Put more? Yeah.
Alright?
like right here, right?
Yeah.
This is correct.
Now pull the hammer. There you go, you're ready.
Oh.
Loaded firearm.
Hold it really tight.
Okay. Okay. All handguns, or back and forth in a case. Another hand carrying a handgun in your bare hand.
Put your thumb behind the
Or long
grip.
like we have.
The other way. Like
This, right?
yeah, that's fine. There you go. Alright, so yeah, push that lever forward and push the cylinder out with your other hand. With your other finger. Yeah, push it forward.
Shot every 2 seconds.
There you go. Now push the thing on the front. There you go.
Put it right here?
Yeah. Then close it.
Okay. The distance, minimum distance for
Push it forward again.
is 10 yards. Handguns 5.
There you go. Alright, now pull the hammer and it's gonna align with the bullet.
Okay, just
Watch it because
Just hold it.
your plastic kind of local. When not on that, but if you break any other gun, watch with your shelf.
Ready.
We have experience here with females that go in between. And they go all crazy or don't have any problem. But in the front, you cannot. Just
Look at the. Hey, you got a headshot? Hell yeah. Oh, man.